If a rangeless retractable downdraft vent won't stay up, the contacts in the start switch may have shorted closed, causing the drive motor to continue running. To help determine this, you can use a multimeter to perform a continuity test on the start switch. A continuity test will determine if a continuous electrical path is present in the switch before or after actuation. If the switch has electrical continuity both before and after the switch has been actuated, then you'll know the contacts have shorted. Make sure the start switch has been removed or isolated from the downdraft vent. Then rotate the multimeter's range selection dial to the lowest setting for ohms of resistance. Contact the meter leads to the switch's terminals. If the multimeter shows 0 ohms of resistance either before or after the switch has been actuated, the switch should be working properly. However, if the meter shows ohms of resistance both before and after actuation, the switch has shorted and will need to be replaced.